What's up, YouTube? So I'm here today at the Vegan Street Fair to eat all the vegan things, and I'm going to share with you some of the cool places that I'm going to be checking out today. Lots of vegan apparel, tons and tons of delicious vegan food from places that are all over. Some of these places are all over California in different areas. Some of them are local here to the Los Angeles and Orange County Inland Empire areas, and some of them come from different states. This is one of the biggest vegan festivals of the entire year, so I'm very excited to be here with you and hope that you enjoy this video today. This is one of the special $4 bites that they have today. Oh, it's a little bit messy. It's so good. It tastes just like tuna. On to the next. Fried out. Working with the vegan saltado and the jackfruit chili cheese fries here. You guys remember my sister Thalia? I'll show them what we got. Here's the saltado. Woo, nene. And the jackfruit chili cheese. Oh yeah. We snagged a table. Yeah, Thalia's working with that VIP. No waiting in lines here. Ooh, this looks so good, you guys. This is like a chimichurri sauce. Alright, Compton Vegan. We've been waiting probably like 45 minutes, but it is so worth it. Yes, baby. Yeah. Ribs. Yes. Let's do this. Oh my goodness.
Yummy. Look at this up there.
Really good fries.
Yeah.
Really good fries. Really good.
Queen's fries with
Vegan
chopsticks.
fam. Only fabulous people.
There you go.
Oh yes. CBD brownies.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get a CBD brownie?
No, I got the deluxe sundae.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Look at those flowers.
Look at that beautifulness. Oh my goodness.
They're little Alice in Wonderland flowers, too.
What one is it?
The cheesy tornado. Right? It looks like crazy.
It's cool. Alright, Vegan Street Fair Day 2. God, better late than never. I drove all the way down to Venice Beach for a roller dance workshop just to find out that the workshop is canceled. So now I'm here, I parked my car in the madness, and I'm back here for LA Vegan Street Fair Day 2. Lavender, CBD, and oat milk. Like, oh my god, does it get more bougie than this? Wow, just taste the healing. This is vegan bouginess at its finest.
Pineapple juice and agave.
Guys, I just went shopping at Nature's Charm right here behind me and went on like a freaking coconut shopping spree. I got sriracha jackfruit. I got banana blossoms. I don't even know what that is. They gave this to me for free because I bought so much shit. This is what I really bought. Coconut chocolate fudge sauce. What? My ice cream just got turned up. Coconut salted caramel sauce, that's gonna go on like everything. Pancakes, ice cream, waffles. Oh my god. And look at this stuff. This was so good. It lasted a year shelf life, so I had to get like 4 of them. Coconut apple pudding. They gave me a sample of this. This is what sold me. I'm stocked up, you guys. Vegan grocery shopping for like all of 2019 right here. Alright, the day is over, vegans, and I definitely ate all the vegan things, shopped all the vegan things, drank all the vegan things, danced all the vegan dances, did the whole damn vegan thing. Vegan Street Fair is over. There are more street fairs to come, but Vegan Street Fair Los Angeles won't be back until 2020. So you guys, if you haven't made the commitment already, you should seriously consider going vegan. Go vegan for yourself, go vegan for the environment, go vegan for the animals, go vegan for your spirituality. You know what, whatever your reason, it doesn't matter. Choose compassion. There's no longer a need to eat meat. Meat is dead, meat is over. If this doesn't prove it, all these people out here today in Los Angeles just eating all kinds of good vegan food, cruelty-free beauty, cruelty-free everything. Oh my God. You guys, this is the VIP gift bag. Holy schmoly. That's a smorgasbord. Okay guys, so if you're gonna come to the Vegan Fair LA next year, 2020, I would have to say definitely get the VIP pass. Going to the front of the line for the food lines when it's this crowded is golden. And as you can see, that goodie bag is not something to shake a stick at. Who even came up with that shake a stick? Whoever came up with that shake a stick at. That's not something to shake a cucumber at. I like my cucumbers shaken, not stirred. Oh my God, you guys, I'm in a food coma right now. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more plant-based, vegan, holistic lifestyle videos. Thank you. Namaste.